Life gets busy, and we're always looking for ways to make things easier. In this video, I've put together a list of 20 tech gadgets from Amazon that can help simplify your daily routine. I've listed the best options, covering everything from smart home devices to handy tools for work and travel. If you're interested, links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video are in the description below. Watch along to see which gadgets might be perfect for you. Amazon Astro Household Robot. Equipped with advanced navigation technology, this home monitoring device keeps you connected and secure. Remotely send it to specific rooms, receive alerts for unrecognized activity, and set up personalized routines. Privacy controls include mic, camera, and motion disable options. Integrated with Ring Home Premium, it can patrol, investigate, and save videos for extended periods, creating a comprehensive surveillance solution for your household. Compact yet powerful, it's always ready to assist. Eity Robotic Pool Skimmer. Featuring a top-slide design for effortless filter cleaning, this pool maintenance solution ensures hassle-free operation. 4 retractable support beams prevent it from getting stuck on steps, while UV-resistant materials provide durability in harsh conditions. Designed for optimal pool care, it combines efficiency and longevity backed by an 18-month product warranty. Keep your pool pristine with this weather-resistant, intelligent skimmer that simplifies upkeep. Home Magician Digital Tape Measure. This multifunctional measuring tool offers linear, circular, and arbitrary curve measurements with precision. Its LCD digital screen eliminates the strain of reading traditional rulers, making it ideal for various applications. Supporting up to 324 feet of cumulative measurement, it simplifies tasks for tailors, students, and professionals. Compact yet powerful, it offers intuitive features like unit switching and historical record storage, making it a must-have for versatile measurement needs. Catlin Charging Station. With 6 USB ports and holders for earbuds and smartwatches, this charging hub organizes and powers multiple devices simultaneously. Smart IC technology ensures efficient charging while preventing overcharging and overheating. Included mixed cables cover all major device types, reducing clutter and optimizing workspace. Designed for home or office use, this compact and secure station combines convenience with intelligent charging for a streamlined experience. Eity Car HUD head-up display. Offering 10 customizable interfaces, this digital speedometer enhances driving safety by projecting speed and other data at eye level. Non-destructive installation options include dashboard or windshield placement. With ambient lighting that adapts to your environment and turns red for alerts, it provides visual cues for safe driving. A must-have for monitoring speed effortlessly, it ensures a seamless, distraction-free driving experience. Dartle Wireless Laser Keyboard. A full-size keyboard and mouse solution. This device pairs seamlessly with smartphones, tablets, and laptops. Compact and portable, it projects a laser keyboard with precision touchpad capabilities for efficient typing. Compatible with multiple operating systems, its long-lasting battery ensures reliability on the go. Perfect for professionals and students, this wireless accessory brings desktop functionality to your fingertips wherever you are. Elite Gourmet Easy Egg Cooker. Prepare up to 7 perfectly cooked eggs with ease. Soft, medium, or hard-boiled options are ready in minutes using pre-marked measurements. Compact and lightweight, it doubles as a food steamer, enhancing versatility. Auto shutoff ensures safety and convenience. Ideal for dorms, apartments, or kitchens, it simplifies meal prep while adding a colorful touch to your space. GISAIF Handheld Mini Fan. Combining a fan, flashlight, and power bank, this compact device delivers 12 to 19 hours of cooling on a single charge. Perfect for travel or outdoor use, it recharges via USB for ultimate portability. Its backup charging capability keeps devices powered, while the built-in flashlight offers additional functionality. A must-have for summer adventures, it provides versatile utility in a palm-sized design. Groit. Montain Automatic Curtain Opener. Compatible with various track types, this motorized curtain solution supports easy installation and remote operation. With a powerful motor handling up to 22 pounds, it ensures smooth performance. Rechargeable battery lasts up to 6 months per charge, making it highly efficient. Designed for effortless control, it enhances living spaces by automating curtains and creating a relaxed environment. AMLIFE TV stand, built-in mini refrigerator. Featuring a built-in refrigerator with adjustable shelves, this entertainment center provides stylish functionality. Large storage compartments and RGB LED lighting elevate the space's modern feel. Durable and quiet, it combines practical organization with aesthetic appeal. Ideal for storing beverages while maintaining a sleek living area, it's the perfect addition to contemporary homes. Kenron Fingerprint Padlock. Equipped with emergency unlocking functionality, this device ensures accessibility even in unexpected situations. Unlock in just 0.5 seconds using stored fingerprints with capacity for 2 administrators and 48 users. Built with IP66 waterproofing and rust-resistant materials, it's ideal for outdoor use. A single charge supports up to 10,000 unlocks, and low power alerts keep it running smoothly. Designed for durability, its zinc alloy body resists tampering, collisions, and long-term wear. Ringcon Smart Ring. Enjoy 24/7 health monitoring without subscription fees through seamless app integration. The wearable offers a 7-day battery life and a magnetic charging case with 150-day power extension, perfect for busy travelers. It pairs effortlessly with over 40 health apps for a comprehensive experience. Compact yet powerful, this device transforms health tracking with real-time precision for both iOS and Android users. King's Gardening Clever Pot. Simplify plant care with this cleverly designed pot featuring an animated water level indicator. Its self-aerating reservoir prevents root rot by elevating roots above water. Made from UV-stabilized plastic, it's durable enough for indoor and outdoor use. Dual watering funnels provide easy access, while its unique and stylish design adds a vibrant touch to any home or garden. Hatch Restore 2 Alarm Clock. Enhance your sleep routine with this multifunctional bedside companion. It provides a soothing wake-up experience through a sunrise alarm and customizable sleep sounds. Dimmable lighting ensures a calm ambience, while phone-free controls simplify usage. Designed with aesthetics and function in mind, this device integrates seamlessly into your self-care rituals, offering a quiet, Wi-Fi-enabled, and app-supported solution to better rest. Electrolux Steamer for clothes. With a 30-second heat-up time, this device delivers powerful steaming for crisp, wrinkle-free fabrics. Suitable for delicate and heavy textiles, it offers continuous operation for 18 minutes. Equipped with anti-leak technology, it supports both vertical and horizontal use. A 2-in-1 lint brush adds extra polish, while the ergonomic design ensures safe and efficient operation on the go or at home. DJI Osmo Gimbal Stabilizer. Capture silky smooth videos with advanced 3-axis stabilization and upgraded tracking technology. This lightweight, foldable device powers on instantly and includes an extendable rod for creative angles. Easy for beginners, it offers guided shot sequences and remote control compatibility via Apple Watch. Perfect for travelers and creators alike, this stabilizer ensures professional quality footage anytime, anywhere. Winala Language Translator Device. Break language barriers with lightning-fast response times and 98% accuracy in real-time translations. Featuring a high-definition display, it supports seamless communication in over 100 languages. With its intuitive design and voice recognition capabilities, this portable device is an essential companion for international travel and cross-cultural connections. Eity Luggage Scale. Avoid airline fees with precise weight measurements for your bags. Compact and durable, this travel-friendly scale fits easily in your pocket or suitcase. The easy-to-read digital display ensures fast, reliable readings, while premium materials withstand frequent use. Trusted by millions, it's a must-have for smooth and stress-free journeys. Detis Fingerprint Bike Chain Lock. Combine security and convenience with this lock, supporting fingerprint, Bluetooth, and Apple Watch unlocking. Store up to 20 fingerprints and 500 app users for flexible access. Its stainless steel chain and nylon cover provide weather resistance and durability. USB charging and a reflective design make it perfect for securing bikes, scooters, and more in various environments. Typecase Smart Wallet. Access your cards instantly with a one-touch mechanism, holding over 10 cards and cash securely. Built with RFID blocking technology, it protects against electronic theft. A dedicated slot for AirTag keeps your wallet trackable through Apple's Find My app. Handcrafted with genuine leather and aluminum, this sleek accessory combines style, function, and security. That wraps up our list of 20 incredible Amazon tech gadgets designed to make your life easier. Whether you're streamlining your daily tasks or exploring innovative tools to level up your tech game, these gadgets are here to simplify and enhance every moment. Be sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals on all the products we covered. If this video brought value to your day, show us some love by giving it a thumbs up, sharing it with friends, and hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you'll never miss our latest content, tips, and in-depth reviews. Stay tuned for more tech discoveries, and we'll see you in the next one.